Do not doubt me on this until you lay your hands on it and you try it out. So focus your eyes and see the steps you're going to take, because when I say it's easy, you're going to argue. But lay your hands on it and confirm it is easy. You can see I folded that material into two, then I placed from the back, directed it to the front and give it a knot at the center. Moving forward to the next step, which is just going to be rolling up the excess we have at the front. You see the way I rolled it, but it's not going to be that firm. See the way I dip my hand in and I bring out that shape you can see. Now direct the remaining parts to the back like this. And here you'll be needing two office pin because you're going to be using it to hold the excess you directed to the back. You're going to pin them down like differently. Both edges are going to be pinned down, or if you have a lengthy material that you can give it a knot at that particular part, it's fine in the absence of your office pin. Now once that is secured, you have the other flap at the back, remember. So you're going to raise it up gently like this and watch the way I'm going to direct it. So you're going to roll it like you did for the front, but this time around it's going to be downward. Okay, and you're going to direct the edges to the side as well like we did for the previous part. So you're going to dip this one in. You're not using pin here, you just use your hand to pull out the fabric up a bit as you have seen. Then I secure the edges underneath the previous shape I made. Make sure it is well secured, beautifully kept, and you're going to come out with a nice, head wrap. Now it is time for me to adjust all adjustables. It is very very important after your head wrap you adjust the necessary part. And here is a brooch. If you have one, you can just add to beautify, though it's not necessary. And the final look is like this. Hope this is simple enough for you guys.